Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots were located along a line extending from Mid-Bay Bridge to 10 nautical miles southeast of Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef to 10 nautical miles west of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef to 23 nautical miles southeast of Oriskany Reef, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Choctawhatchee Bay, Highway 331 Bridge, Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef, Destin, East Pass at Destin, East Choctawhatchee Bay, Okaloosa Pier, and Mid-Bay Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical.
Nope, we ran out of time once again.